What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Sitting outside the headquarters right now. Just went and checked on a service call. Had a guy break the rear, I think it's the rear cross member to his trailer frame. But it's like torqued real bad, so he gonna have to order a whole new piece. And from what I'm seeing, it looks like we're gonna have to. I don't know. I don't know. Literally, like I don't really know how he gonna do it. We're gonna have to put some pressure on it. We're gonna have to get um, some type of porta powers or something to help press some of this twist out or whatever, bend out. But I was just thinking, man, how staying prepared. You know, it's good to, especially now, has showed me that people gonna always have problems that you're gonna face as far as mechanical issues, faulty equipment, certain things just get bad over time, So staying prepared, staying ready can allow you to get a lot of money right now. I mean, because services is going to always be a need, and certain products that you have that is valuable is going to be a need. Think about how these companies is popping up now making ventilation masks. Think about that. Like they are becoming very wealthy for making these masks, kicking these companies off and to provide the need because there is a scarce need of face ventilation masks. So it just make me think about you know just in life general, man. We just have to stay prepared for we rejoice in peace, but we prepare for war all the time because you always got to have your arsenal ready or your survival kit because you never know what's going to happen from one day to the next. We'll want to say yes, it's going to work out for 5 years, and then I'm gonna do this for another 5, and then my last 10, I'm gonna do this. And it's good to make plans like that, but things happen, so you got to have a ground where you're staying prepared and staying ready just in case something happens. So. And that's with anything, man. Especially right now with this virus and stuff going on. I mean, we're going to see a lot of changes in the way people have been networking, how they're going to start networking from here on out. And I think it's going to be a big eye opener to a lot of us. So I would say, man, most definitely think about that. Like, put all of your ducks in line so that way you'll be prepared for this crossover, so to speak. But just wanted to come to you, man, this morning. Just say, man, stay ready, stay safe, do what you got to do to take care of your precautions out here. And now is the time to work on your business. You know what I mean? So just because all this stuff is going on, don't mean you need to neglect anything. So I would say you should work on it even stronger now and really keying it down into what exactly you want to do and who you want to target and how you're going to target them. So I just say, man, stay ready so that way you don't have to get ready. Hog on.